Good morning guys. Today magluto na pud ta. Okay. So mao na itong lutoon, sausage, smoked sausage and rice. Okay, so mao na itong mga sangkap. Okay, we need salt, oyster sauce, soy sauce, pork broth, and then rice, and 2 cups of rice na, and then sausages, and then diced tomatoes, and then garlic, onions, spring onions, and then a teaspoon of oregano, basil, cayenne pepper, paprika, and then black pepper. Okay. Saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then some of the white onions also from the spring onions, okay? This is it. And now we're gonna add the smoked sausage. Okay, guys, and now guys, and smoked sausages. Guys, so mao na itong smoked sausages, and now we're gonna add kani guys, mga spices, okay? Soy sauce. Nga rice ha. Ako lang nigi hugasan. Guys, look at that one. Our rice. Hey guys, look at that one. The rice, okay. So next is tomatoes. We just add 200 grams of that one. Okay. Pork broth. Okay. And then guys, ato sa aning kabiran guys. Sa atong kabiran para maluto ang rice. Cook na guys. So atong smoked sausage and rice. So para dili ni siya mapagod guys, kanang medium ra ang fire niya guys. Unya dayon inyo ni imo po ni siya i-stir once in a while para di madukot. Unya kon tuwangan sa tubig, pwede mo butangan a little bit hot water or pork broth. Or hot water. Okay, so it's done guys. So I'm gonna taste it. It's yummy. So I'm gonna garnish. Okay guys, so that's our smoked sausage and rice. It's done. So thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroJack, to my Instagram, d_bro_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.